Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the backbone, a clear chart of accounts and a transactions sheet. Enter primary accounts now so entries map correctly. Once the accounts exist, start logging real transactions with date, description, account, debit, and credit columns. Use consistent naming and numbering to avoid duplicate accounts. Make sure to set cell formats for currency and dates. This prevents manual fixes later. Finally, create a formula-driven balance column so each entry updates running totals automatically. Once transactions flow in, automate posting and reduce errors. Add data validation drop-downs for account names so entries stay consistent. Use SUMIFS formulas on each ledger sheet to pull amounts from the transactions sheet by account and date range. This keeps totals current. Import bank statements as CSV and use match and index to locate corresponding transactions, marking reconciled rows. Use conditional formatting to highlight mismatches. Together, these steps speed monthly close and minimize manual copy-paste reconciliation work. Finish by running month-end procedures, post depreciation, accruals, and transfers in a closing journal sheet that feeds your ledgers. Once posted, lock or protect prior period sheets and save an archived copy with the date to preserve auditable history. If trial balances don't match, troubleshoot stepwise. First, check cell formats and signs. Next, search for duplicate or misspelled account names. Then verify SUM and SUMIFS ranges include all rows. If needed, filter transactions by blank accounts to find missing postings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.